Hi there, I'm Sally and today we're going to be looking at the artist Hundertwasser and decorating a plain rucksack using foiling art and fabric pastels. Let's get into this. Hundertwasser uses lots of kind of spirals and teardrops and ever decreasing circles. He looks at architecture, really doesn't like straight lines. So you can see from his work here that it's full of wavy lines. It's very expressive, it's very bright. He's also been an architect as well. And his work just shows lots of trees and nature and lots of repetition and full of imagination. I'm being influenced by the Hundertwasser designs, and I'm coming up with 5 designs, and I'm going to choose my favourite one to do for the rucksack. Hi, so I've got my designs. I've done 5 in total. I'm on board Hundertwasser's way of working, so I've decided to choose this one. Here I'm enlarging my design to go on the rucksack fabric. So in order to transfer my design onto the fabric, I'm going to use these Fabric Fun pastel die sticks. Absolutely brilliant. You just use them like you would oil pastels or onto the fabric. You can mix colours, and once you've got all your colours down onto the cotton fabric and paper, and you iron over the top. And the ironing, the heat actually seals the pastels and makes them secure. So then you can wash them. It's going to fill in the colours onto your design, literally onto the fabric, like so. To get quite a bold colour, press down and get rid of the white marks. Called Foil Art Pen, and outline any shapes or patterns that you would like to have covered with foil. These are the foils, and then you leave it overnight to dry, and then we'll come back to it and we'll use the foils on top. Glow puff paint. You're just going to go around an edge. Yesterday I drew on around some shapes with the foiling glue, and I'll show you how to put this on because the results are lovely. Now the thing with the foiling glue is you have to try to remember where you drew it on, because obviously it dries transparent. So I'm going to go with this nice rainbow one and just side onto the glue like that, and you just literally rub over the top of where you put the foiling glue and rip it off, and you're left with a really nice shimmery. The overall design, and I'm thinking, right, I'm going to use all of these beautiful little accessories and I'm going to lay them out and just see how it all balances out, and then I will start gluing. Again, you just peel off and then you can just put them around one of your shapes. So look inside that spiral. Oh yeah, so I've got these tassels here. I think would be really quite nice on. So I'm thinking, I don't want it to go too much, but I'm just going to try out a couple of different areas that they potentially could go. Now they're at the top or the bottom, I'm thinking, and these just get stuck on with glue. So look, a bit wacky, isn't it? What do we think? Maybe something like that. So just a little bit of glue underneath. Some beads here, quite nice and nice. We've got these Scoobies. I do quite like Just doing a little couching stitch, which you just go over the top of your little Scooby that you've laid down. And you come up from the back of the fabric, go over the top and down, and just repeat that action. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm new to you, then please support me by subscribing, that would be great, and I'll see you next week. Bye.